eating bread, the sourdough bread. So sugar. Mm. Mm. Delightful. I love bread so much. I grew up on bread. My grandmother baked bread. And sometimes I came along with her to the baker because she made the bread loaves, the big bread loaves at home, the rye bread, and she'd put it on a wooden wagon and bring it. Actually, the baker was a relative of hers, and we would pull that wooden wagon and go with her because it was a wood-fired oven. It was so great. I love bread. And this is sourdough bread from Whole Foods. So yummy. Leave me a comment down below and tell me all you want about bread, okay?